Hello, darling. Thank you so much for being here. I mostly speak in the present simple tense, and I truly hope you can understand me and think about what I'm sharing with you. My biggest hope is to help you improve your English. Okay. My name is Elena, and I am 50 years old. Yes, you heard that right, 50. But let me tell you, I feel like I'm in my prime, and trust me, I've got plenty left to give. Some people think that once you hit 50, you're supposed to slow down, fade into the background, and stop having fun. Well, I'm here to tell you. Absolutely not. Life is too short to be anything but fabulous. And fabulous doesn't stop at a certain age. Oh no, darling, I'm just getting started. Now, let's talk about the fun part. People like to think that once you're over 40, you don't care about your appearance anymore. They're wrong. I take care of myself, inside and out. I work out, I eat well, mostly, and my skincare routine is on point. But let's not kid ourselves, it's not just the creams that keep me glowing. It's that spark inside me, that energy that refuses to die. And let me tell you something else. I still have a very active love life. Oh yes. That kind of active. And I'm not just talking about cuddling by the fire with a cup of tea. No. I'm talking about passion. Chemistry. The kind of love that makes your heart race and your body tingle with excitement. I know what I want, and I go after it. Why wouldn't I? I'm not looking for a knight in shining armor. More like a man who knows how to appreciate a woman who is confident, knows her worth, and isn't afraid to go after what she wants. And trust me, when the chemistry is right, it's magic. The sparks fly, the electricity is real, and I have just as much energy in the bedroom as I did in my 20s. I don't believe in settling at this age. I've had my share of relationships, and now I want fun, passion, and connection. If you can make me laugh and keep up with me on the dance floor, then you're already halfway there. But let's be clear, just because I'm older doesn't mean I'm not hot. I'm not about to let a little thing like age slow me down when I still have the power to turn heads. When I walk into a room, I don't just walk, I make a statement. And if anyone dares to tell me I'm too old for this dress or too old for that kind of fun, I'll tell them exactly where they can go. I'm not going to hide behind a cardigan and pretend I'm invisible. No, darling. I wear what I want, I do what I want, and if I want to flirt with a handsome man across the room, I will. No shame in that game. And let's talk about sexuality. At 50, I've learned what makes me feel good, what turns me on, and I'm not afraid to embrace it. I know what my body can do, and I'm proud of it. I don't need to act older to fit in with society's expectations. I embrace every inch of myself, every wrinkle, every curve, every part of me that is uniquely mine. Because I am sexy. I am powerful. And I don't need anyone to validate that. You see, we all have this idea that aging means giving up on things like love, adventure, and, yes, sex. But I'm here to prove that wrong. I'm just as capable of passion as I was in my younger days, and I'm not going to let anyone tell me otherwise. I'm not fading into the background. I'm out here living my best life, turning heads, and feeling damn good while doing it. So, what about you? Are you living your life the way you want to, or are you following some imaginary rulebook? Are you afraid of your own desires? Are you hiding your confidence behind what you think you're supposed to be? If you are, stop. Life is too short for that. I am 50. I am bold. I am confident. I am sexy as hell. And I'm not going to stop being me for anyone. Are you ready to embrace the fire inside you, too? Because trust me, this is just the beginning. Thank you for listening to me. Please, leave your comment about what you think. I won't judge you, I promise. If possible, also subscribe. It's a pleasure to help you on your English language journey.